Okay, so you have to, yeah, okay.
Probably we have to make it easier for them to go for training or sort of things like that.
So your process. So what she says is that their process, which is good, yeah. Don't always think the process always remediate. Like what you mentioned earlier, do you bond your people? If you bond people, you may want to reflect. Or you say, okay, I want to bond, but maybe shorter period, or maybe increase the level of commitment to training. So these are all the things that you need to review regularly. Okay, good.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, thank you. So this is how you do training, is it? Very different, is it? But in a way, it's also similar. Because very important, the T&A, that part of training can help you to increase the level of employee engagement. Because they know that you take an interest. So human beings are like that, it's the feelings. Remember, employee engagement is 3S. I say